take us into your lab that you've been working at this summer?
Building Step students spent their summer working and learning in their future career fields. Check out their unique experiences.
They come in every day, they go straight to work, never no conflict, don't care what you tell them. If they have questions, they ask, and they're always joyful.
All right, let's go see.
My summer internship was spent in a lab. Their focus was metastatic cancer / tumors, and particularly microtentacles.
What did she say to help you like solidify like, okay, I'm gonna go through and do law?
That our community, like the Black community, needs more African American lawyers, and that as a female, it's more powerful.
This experience has confirmed my career goals because not only did I see how patients were handled when they got upset, I saw how doctors spoke to them in every patient that they saw. This experience also made me feel that nothing can stop me from reaching my career goals, only me, and that's not going to happen.
I didn't even think that I was going to like it at first, but once I started getting the hang of everything, it became more easier. Because, like, you know, the first day you're nervous, and then you feel like you're going to mess up. But after that, I just got the hang of it, and it just became more fun.
Oh, this is probably way more fun than I expected.